Hi everyone, this is Priyanka, and in this video I'm going to share with you a very basic no makeup look, and I'm going to tell you what eye contour actually is. You must be wondering now, how come this eye contour for a no makeup look or for the very basic makeup look? Now let me tell you something. Sometimes we put a lot of makeup on our face that does not easily show up on camera. Looks little weird in person. Now I am going to share with you something that is going to make your eyes look popped up, and it is going to enhance the eye feature, especially if you have hooded eyes or small eyes. This is going to look a very beautiful eye makeup look, and also you can use it on a daily basis. If you are an office going woman or a college going girl or a school going girl, you can definitely put this on your eyes. This will look very beautiful in person and as well as in camera. So stay tuned with me. I'm going to show up everything step by step. All, I'm going to start off with a completely clean eyes. Now the first step should be and must be eye priming, because this is going to give you a completely clean and even canvas which will make your colors pop out really well. You can use your foundation or your favorite concealer or any eye primer if you have. All these things are going to give you a completely clean canvas and an even eyelid look. I'm gonna use my favorite concealer over here on my lid to prime my eyes, and this is going to give me an even eyelid which will make the colors look very beautiful and well blended, of course. First of all, this particular step is extremely necessary and essential to make any nude eye look really good. Anyway, whatever residue is there in my fingers, I'm gonna apply it under my eyes as well, so that it will make my kajal look a little more enhanced and beautiful. Done with blending, now I'm jumping straight into the eye contouring. I'm going to take my sugar bronzer here and gonna take a dense eye brush. That must be the blending brush. So just take the color and put it at your outer corner of your eyes. Just slowly drag the brush inside the inner corner of your eyes, and it should be blended throughout the crease line with a very light hand. Don't force your brush into your eyes. This is not going to give you a blended look, rather it will look very much patchy. So just go very lightly as possible. You need to dip the brush again into the bronzer or your contour shade, whatever you likely to have. You just need to dip it again and then add a little bit of more color to the outer corner of your eyes to intensify the outer corner. Basically blend it really well and blend it with a lighter hand, as light as possible. I'm going to repeat the same process over again, dragging the brush from outer corner to the inner corner and blending it slowly, and again intensifying the outer corner of the eyes. Blending is the key basically in this look. This can be done within 2 to 3 minutes if you are doing it in a very light-handed manner. This is going to give you a very flawless and beautifully blended look. Also, it is going to look very natural in person as well. As I said, this look is going to rock in camera and in person both. For the next step, I'm going to take the Nika palette and using the shimmer eyeshadow. Basically adding this shimmer eyeshadow, or you can say a lighter eyeshadow you can use instead. If you don't like any shimmer eyeshadow, I'm going to put this particular eyeshadow with my finger at exactly the middle of my eyelid. This is going to ensure the smooth transition from the darker color at the outer corner of your eyes and towards the lighter color at the middle of your eyes. This is going to give you a beautiful transitioned and blended look, and I would request you to follow this step up with your fingers, because shimmer shades usually get better applied with your fingers. So basically now you have to take the brush again, the same brush again, and blend this two eyeshadow in between where these two shades are being blended well. Then this is going to create a beautiful transition from the darker shade to the lighter shade all over your eyes, and this is what that is going to give you that beautiful, naturally broader eyes look. For your reference, I have not done literally anything to the other eye of mine, so that you can see a clear difference between these two eyes and you can realize how beautiful it looks and how natural it looks without doing much to your eyes. Now I'm going to tight line my upper lash line specifically. I'm using the Maybelline Kajal. I'm kind of very much loyal to this particular Kajal. I've been using this since some years now. You can use this one. This is very, very decently priced and good quality at the same time. Also, I think tight lining your eyes gives you that beautiful dark and intense and bold look without doing much to your eyes. The next step is going to application of the eyeliner, and I'm using the Lakme eyeliner, with which I'm the most comfortable with, to be very honest. Now let me tell you something. If you have hooded eyes, if you have smaller eyes, then you have to draw the thinnest line possible for eyeliners, because as thick as you can apply the eyeliner, this is going to make your eyes look even smaller and narrow. So you have to draw a very, very thin line on your lash line, also as close as possible to your lash line. This is kind of a trick you can apply if you have smaller eyes or hooded eyes. Well, this step is optional. I'm going to use a brown eye pencil in my lower lash line. You just need to drag your eye pencil halfway through your lower lash line and just blend it with your fingers after the application of the brown kajal. Usually brown kajals in your lower lash line adds a bit more depth to this kind of look, such as nude eye look or contoured eye look, etc. Now moving on to the eyebrows part. If you don't work on your eyebrows, then your eye look is not going to be complete, I guess. So use an eyebrow pencil and just fill in the sparse area. Don't go too much with your eyebrows, because this is going to look very unnatural and this just doesn't suit with this kind of natural nude eye makeup look. So do go slowly and lightly with your eyebrows. Just fill in the sparse areas, and after that do not forget to comb your eyebrow hair, because this is going to look very unnatural again. So this is how it has come out, and the difference is quite clear, I guess. For today, that's all. We'll see you again. Bye.